Hey there, my name is Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you an update we recently made to membership pricing for individual clients. So I'm here on the client profile of someone at my business that I know has a membership. And in this video, I'm going to show you a membership that has discounts applied to it at checkout, but you can still view the information even if the membership was sold at regular price without a discount. So let's open up her account tab, and then we'll click on Passes and Memberships. Then I'll locate the membership that we'll be looking at, which is this one right here at the top. It's the fitness membership. So in the action column, I'm going to click on that three-dot icon, and then we'll go ahead and click Edit Purchase option. So with this update, we added a price breakdown to the edit screen for clients' individual memberships. So I'll scroll down to the price section, which is here. And this is where you can see the purchase total, which is what the client paid when they purchased this membership. I know that this membership normally costs $40, but that's not what she paid, as I can see here for the purchase total. So I can click on Show Price Breakdown to expand the details. So I can see here that she received a discount that was given using a discount code for 5% off. And I can also see that she redeemed some rewards points to get another $6 off of the price of the membership. And then the sales tax that we charged her is below that. So the purchase total at the top here is going to be the regular price minus any discounts plus tax. Below that, you can also see the regular price before tax and the scheduled payment discount as well. And you can adjust these amounts for the client just by typing a new dollar amount into the box. I'm just going to hover over the tooltip here beside the scheduled payment discount, which says the discount applied to the scheduled payment before discounts. Entering a discount here will override all scheduled payment discounts that were applied at the time of purchase. So you can come back and change the scheduled discount for this membership at any time, or you can apply a new one if there wasn't one here before. But just keep in mind that if you change this amount, it's going to override almost any other discount that was applied to the membership previously. The exception to this is that if a client has a membership discount related to their client type at the time of purchase, that discount will remain in effect for the entire duration of the membership, even if the client's client type changes later, or if the client type discount is changed in the membership settings. So once you're happy with any changes that you've made, always make sure to save for the client. And then you'll see here, now that you're back on your Passes and Memberships page, you can actually see here the name of the user that made the changes as well. So you can easily tell if a membership has been edited for an individual client, whether the changes are related to their discounts or regular price, or something completely different that we didn't cover today. But there you go. So we just covered how to view and modify the pricing and discounts for an individual client's membership. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.